So how do you properly frame a subject? The rule of thirds will guarantee great framing every time. Next on the Compel Media Moment. The best way to understand the rule of thirds
is to divide a screen equally with 2 lines vertically and 2 lines horizontally.
Obviously, these lines will be in different places depending upon your screen's aspect ratio, which is the proportion of how high and how wide the screen is.
Some cameras even come with a built-in feature, putting these lines on your display screen, but not on the final video you record.
If you're shooting an interview where you're off camera asking questions, there's a great place to put your interviewee.
The rule is you put the main subject's eyes where the upper lines intersect. For instance, when you shoot someone talking to the camera, you put their eyes on the upper line. If you're shooting an interview with 2 people, you're putting their eyes on the upper line and their heads where the upper lines intersect. If you're shooting an interview where you're asking questions off camera, you should put the person on the upper left or right, but not in the center.
The rule of thirds will also help you to avoid 2 other mistakes, which are too much nose room or too much headroom.
Nose room equates to how much room there is between the edge of the screen and the subject's nose. Headroom is similar in how much room there is between the subject's head and the top of the screen. You can have too much or too little headroom or nose room.
The rule of thirds will help you to avoid many of these framing issues. When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.